This is day one of our road trip vlog. Okay, this was such an exciting day for me. We got up, packed our bags, and moved to Abeokuta, Ogun State for the holiday. The anticipation for this trip kept building up as we moved through the highway. There's just this adrenaline rush I feel whenever I'm traveling, and it's honestly breathtaking. So we get to Abeokuta, and Abeokuta is very pretty, I must say. My mom always brags about her hometown being very pretty, and honestly, 10 points to mommy. Minus the cabs, please. But apart from that, it is very beautiful and very eventful. We arrive at our location, we relax a bit, catch our breath, and then we got moving again to explore the city a little bit since we still had time. We went to Olusegun Obasanjo's presidential library, and this place is huge. It should be called a recreational arena because this place is very big with many activities to engage in. For a start, we took these stairs to get to the top of the hill. It looked very easy and doable at first, but halfway to the top my legs started shaking. It was at this point that I knew that my daily 100 squats was just bare minimum and I needed to invest in core body exercises, or maybe finally register for a gym membership. Finally at the top. We got to the top and the view from this place is incredible. It is breathtaking. We spent a little time up there, then made our way back down to relax by the water park. Day one was just for sightseeing, relaxation, and grooving. So we called it a day and went back home. See you in day 2 vlog.